This is Tony. I will go fast to show you how the dryers and workings and functions. Today we show you the pilot freeze dryer. The model actually is FT. The T means it can press the case, and as you can see, we can have 4 parts. Well, the first one is the product's introduction, second one is the structure, a third one for operation, and fourth one is about the cautions of during operations. About the introduction, for the dryer, I think this one is for you is easy, and this pilot one is just difference is can operate more samples and for the dryers. This is just its purpose, principles, and simple instruction for the products. And for the structure, this part is the hydraulic cylinder, and for press the layers to press it down and to cap the bottles. The front, actually we can see there's a touch screen and some buttons for operations. This part is for when we put the samples. And here is the position, the cap. We can we are going to get water, actually the moisture from the samples. After vacuum, the waters will come from the ice inside the material and go into this chamber. And from the screen, and this is for the emergency stop buttons for output the data for the USB port. This up and down control buttons for the layers. And the bottom one is the power button. This is the right side. When you face the freeze dryer from the front and the right side of the machine, you can see the power air breaker, the breaker from here, and this port is where we connect with the vacuum pump. As you can see, it works with the external vacuum pump. So this machine will come with 2 packages. One package is a main hose, another one is the vacuum pump. So you need to connect the vacuum pump on site. And at this position, you can see there's a drain port and the air inlet. The drain port is to drain the waters inside the cap, the cold trap. When after the inside is a lot of water, you can drain it out from here. And the air inlet after finish the operation, inside is vacuum condition. The pressure is negative, and you need to release the pressure by this part after to stop the vacuum pump. Otherwise, the vacuum pump oil will go back to the inside chamber. So this part is very important. And this one also mentioned in the operation manual. You need to take care, and also from the user side. This is the back side. You can see the power supply from back side. These 2 power supply is different. When we installation, we need to install the main power supply by this power cord. It's connected to the main power supply for the whole machine. And this one actually is the output. This one for the input. This one is the output, which one we need to connect with the vacuum pump. So you can control the vacuum pump on the hose to control the vacuum pump up and switch on and switch off. For the vacuum pump, what you need to take care is the pipe installation and also the oil filling. This is the position we need to fill in the oil. It's marked with oil in. And this part is for the air out, for the drain, for the exhaust. When we add oil, we just to open here and add oil to the position around here, and not exactly around here. It's more than 50% is okay around here. About 500 hours, or depends on the color of the oil. The color is white and not transparent. You can replace. When you replace, you can open from the bottom to drain the oil inside and block it, put it back, and fill in the new one. This is for the vacuum pump. For the installation around like this. And this exhaust will come with a filter. This filter is to filter the oil because inside have oil. When the air is going to outside, it will come with some oil. This vacuum oil will be filtered at this position, and there's a direction with the filter. When it's installation, you will see that. And this part you can connect with the pilot hose in this interface like this. For installation, it's like this. And next, about operation. Operation mainly is focused on the touch screen. On the touch screen, we have seen some of these the main menu bars. It shows the operation, process, control system, record, account, and date time informations. The first one, operation, you can see the temperature inside, how it's working, and the pressure inside, the levels, and the total running times, the process, different process, and you can skip a step or not. This shows the different steps informations. And here it shows different detection temperatures, like the shelf temperature, the cold trap temperature, and samples temperature, and also the pressure. And from here, you can start the process or the programming, and start the vacuum pump button manually, and stop the process. This is the interface for the first one. How we can know the process and how we can set it is from the second one. The second one, we can set different process, and for each process we can set different steps. Actually, this one is the process for different samples. Users need to test and confirm the best process for their samples. It includes about time, how long time for the temperature, and vacuum pump start, which step. Usually we will make time for pre-freezing is 4 hours at least. 4 hours minus 55, and start the vacuum pump at the second step, and step by step to the room temperature. You can set the parameters from the right side, time, temperature, vacuum pump, pressures, but this one is optional. These are optional. If standard one, it don't have this information. After save, it will save here. This for process settings. And this for the control, to control the shell up and down. After you switch on the hydraulic pump, you can press this up and down is working. After I show you a video about the operation. The defrost actually is defrost some, because inside it has cold, very cold, and it will generate some frost on the shelf. You can buy defrost button to melt the frost for maintenance and cleaning. About the system is about the maintenance, troubleshootings, after sales service, parameter settings, factory parameter settings. For the user side, not to use so much. And inside we have like, for example, the parameter settings, the vacuum pump running time, maintenance time, vacuum pump maintenance time, reminding. This is, or you can set it or default settings. And this one, customer maybe they prefer when you press the buttons, there's no sound. You can remove this one. When you press, there's no sound. It will be quiet. And the second one is the menu test. You can start each part manually to check if the part is working normally. This is for troubleshooting after sales service. And for the record is about recording the history and alarm informations. You can go inside, you can check the curve. Each curve you confirm curve, and you can check details about the different times, the temperature and pressure for history checking. The last one is account. You can log in by operator and admin. They have different parameters, different rights to operation. This is a home machine from the right side. It's a left side is nothing. This interface just I show you. And this is a process. Press, you can go inside to operate some settings. This operation to up and down. To control the shelf to up and down. This for system settings. Parameters, usually for the factory parameters. The record, checking for the curve. For the alarm is similar. This is for the account. About the cautions, what you need to make sure, take attention is about the door. This door actually cannot be wiped by organic solvent. It will be cracking. And another one is about the vacuum pump. The vacuum pump oil should be changed regularly, and this not only based on the time about the hours, but also based on the condition of the oil.